Hi, so in this video I wanted to talk about how to connect to PLCs in an environment that is routed, meaning that you are with your host computer not directly connected in a network switch on the same subnet. There's going through a router in some way. So in TIA portal, in order to do this, typically when you're connected directly, you can see under online access and then whatever your Ethernet card is, be able to open this up and then update accessible devices. You can see that I'm actually on an EC2 instance here, and so this is a virtualized environment, and also physically, this EC2 instance has to go through a VPN back to my physical office and then connect to this PLC here. So in order to see it, it actually cannot discover these devices in this networking path. And so I'm going to show a feature that not many people know about, which is to directly connect to an IP address that you already know. So if you go to online and then extended go online, Extended Go Online is really just a way to reset anything that had been remembered by TIA Portal as to which devices you connected to. So you only have to do this really the first time, or if it doesn't have anything Go Online and Extended Go Online there's not really a difference. So anyways, I have this set up mirroring what my physical PLC is right now. And first you're going to select the interface to connect with, which is just Profinet IE. Teleservice is a different kind of protocol for remote connecting. PGPC interface, which interface you want to connect with. In my case, it's this virtual network adapter. And then I typically do try all interfaces. If you're in an environment where you can search the devices, try all interfaces can take a while. So you might want to just say oh, I know I'm connected to X2, select that one. I'll just do try all for here. So this is where people don't realize that this exists, but usually you do start search, and that's where you then see all the devices in this list. Instead, what you can do is you can double click on access address, and then it will populate it, or you can type in the address that you want to have and then click out of it and then start search now, and it should be able to find this device that's in the routed environment. It will take a little bit. Sometimes you don't have to click start search. I'm not sure when that is, but sometimes if you just click outside that box, then you'll see it trying to connect. So what it did is it searched through a bunch of the addresses and then eventually found the one that is this 132. You can see that there's this one problem found, and I believe that is because when I set up my offline project, you can see that it says looking for PLC_1. In my actual device, it's 1500_outlier. If you don't know this, Profinet, the name that you use of the target device, is as important as the IP address. So you must have a matching name. So this is not going to like this, but you can see that I found this IP address, it found this device, and if you had done start search, it would not have found it at all. So try this out. Again, double click in the address area and you will be able to directly connect to the device you want.